Experience the convenience of the generic new innovation portable handy washing machine. Boosting a top-load design with a 30-liter capacity, this washer features a robust ISI copper motor for reliable performance. The built-in timer and auto cut-off function guarantee precise washing cycles. With a 1-year warranty for added assurance, this portable washing machine is perfect for small spaces and offers a hassle-free laundry solution on the go. Amazon buying link is in pinned comments. Subscribe for more such useful products.